In the silent expanse of deep space, two colossal black holes perform an ancient cosmic dance. Swirling clouds of gas and dust surround them, glowing brighter as their immense gravitational pull grows stronger. Each orbit draws them closer, their event horizons warping and stretching as they prepare for an inevitable collision. This celestial ballet sends ripples through the fabric of space-time, gravitational waves, faint but powerful, radiating outward across the cosmos. And then, in an explosive crescendo, the two black holes merge, forming a singular, larger entity. A burst of radiant energy cascades outward, a breathtaking display of mass transformed into gravitational waves. But what if this is more than just a natural phenomenon? Could such immense forces be harnessed, perhaps even engineered, by an intelligence far beyond our comprehension? Is this cosmic spectacle a simple act of nature, or the remnants of an experiment on a scale we cannot yet fathom? In the stillness of space, the answers remain hidden, waiting for us to discover, or perhaps to be revealed. This is Unanswered Universe. Comment, like, and subscribe.